Three things Jamaica did first. Steaming ahead. In 1845, Jamaica launched the first railway line in the entire British Caribbean, a mere 20 years after Britain itself. Imagine chugging locomotives traversing the lush Jamaican landscapes while other Caribbean islands were still waiting for their first train whistle. Fast forward to 1868, and Jamaica finds itself again at the forefront of technology. This time, it wasn't land-based transportation, but underwater communication. Jamaica laid one of the first underwater telegraph cables in the Western Hemisphere, connecting it directly to Cuba. This marvel of engineering revolutionized communication across the sea, allowing for faster exchange of information between businesses and individuals. Let's rewind a bit further to 1671. Jamaica established the very first British colonial postal service. Built in the then capital, St. Jago de la Vega, now known as Spanish Town, and operated as a sub-branch of the British Post Office. These achievements showcase the innovative spirit that can thrive even in small island nations. What other surprising firsts can you think of from around the Caribbean? If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating Jamaican firsts, don't forget to like and follow for more.